Here are the rules for adding rational numbers. To add decimals, you must line up the decimal point and then bring it straight down. Integer rules we've already gone over. If the signs are the same, you add. Keep the sign. If the signs are different, subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number. And remember, fractions, you must have a common denominator. So in this problem 1, we want to line up our decimal point. So 16.4, 0.28. Notice the signs are different, so we're going to be subtracting the numbers. We fill in with a 0 here. Go ahead and subtract. Bring the decimal straight down. Keep the sign of the bigger number, so it'll be negative 16.12. This problem, we need to find a common denominator. Both numbers go into 8. Remember, you can always find a common denominator by multiplying your two denominators. Or take the largest denominator, which is 8, and look at multiples of 8. 4 will go into 8, so we can use 8. So we say, what do we do to 4? To get 8, we multiply by 2, so 2 times negative 3 would be negative 6 plus 7/8. The signs are different, so we actually subtract our numbers. 7 minus 6 is 1, 1/8, and keep the sign of the bigger number, so it would be positive. Again, in this problem, the signs are different, so we're going to be subtracting. We always take the bigger number on top, or put the bigger number on top, so it'll be 34 minus 15 when you do the actual subtraction. You get 19, keep the sign of the bigger number, it's negative 19. In number 4, the signs are the same, so you're going to be adding the numbers. You get 60 and keep the sign, so it's negative 60. Again, in decimals, we're going to have to line up our decimal point. The signs are the same, so we're just going to line them up and add the two together. I'm just going to put it under here, 0.41, and just do your adding. Bring your decimal straight down, and then keep the sign. Fractions, again, we need to find a common denominator. We can use 30. Okay, what do we do to 5 to get 30? Multiply by 6. So 6 times 4 is 24. What do we do to 6 to get 30? Multiply by 5. We get 25. So we're going to add the two together. We get 49/30ths. And as long as it's in simplest terms, you can leave it as an improper fraction. So that would be our answer. There aren't any negative signs to deal with in that problem. And here, we need to find a common denominator. The signs are different, so we're actually going to be subtracting these two. So always make sure the bigger number is on top. It happens to be in this case. So we can use 15 as our common denominator. What do we do to 3 to get 15? We multiply by 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. What do you do to 5 to get 15? We multiply by 3, so 3 times 1 is 3. We subtract, we get 7/15 for the fraction part, 2 for the whole number. Keep the sign of the bigger number, so it would be negative 2 and 7/15.